Hello guys, you're welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Pascal. Yes, it is our YouTube channel. So guys, today we're going to be talking about how you, as someone who has his own personal visa, can get a job. What are we talking about? Freelancer visa, partnership visa, husband and wife visa. As far as it is your own visa, we'll talk about how you can get a job on that, whether be it a permanent job that you get to work for month to month and get your monthly salary, or you get some daily job, or you get some hourly job. Yes, you know, there are some jobs that you get to work in hours, and then they get to pay you depending on how many hours you work per hour. You can get a job that can pay you per hour for 200 dirham. You can get for 150 dirham. You can get for even as high as 300 dirham per hour. Then you calculate it per, depending. Yes guys, those jobs exist. Then you calculate it by how many, that's multiply it by how many hours you worked, and then you know how much you got for the day. So guys, sit back and relax, and let's tell you how you can get these jobs. Before I move on, I want to tell you guys, thank you guys for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for the old guys who have been with me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate, and I see all your comments. Please continue your comments, ask your questions in the comment section, and I will always reply you. You can as well connect to me via my Facebook handle and my Instagram handle. I will always reply. In the case I don't get to reply, please exercise patience. It will always get to you. I normally reply within the first 5 hours, 12 hours. If it is too late, it gets to like maybe 24 hours, but it wouldn't exceed that. Now guys, in this channel we actually teach about everything that makes you succeed or survive in any foreign country where you are. But in this case, we are using a case study as Dubai, the United Arab Emirates. So guys, sit back and let me tell you how you, as one who has a freelance visa, a personal visa, or partnership or investor visa, how you can get a job and how you can get to succeed and survive in Dubai. So guys, let's go there. So first of all guys, for someone who has a personal visa, there are actually two types of personal visa here. I told you guys our case study is actually Dubai, that is the United Arab Emirates here. So I'm going to be talking about the personal visas they have here, or one can get here. You have a 2 years visa and you can have a 3 years visa. In most cases, the 2 years visas will come with documents like the NOC, that is NOC, non-objection certificate. You have the other documents like the labor card. You have the trade license. So these documents can actually help you to go a long way. You understand? It can help you if anyone is making a personal visa for you for 2 years. Always endeavor to get all these things from them. Always endeavor to get them. Get a photocopy of it, detailing with the letterhead of the company. You understand? That is sponsoring the visa for you. Make sure you always get that, guys. Make sure you get that. So it will help you, because some of these companies or these jobs which you'll be going for will actually need them. Yes, they will need copies of this to make sure that you are safe to work with them, to make sure that they won't have any fine. Yes, there is a law in Dubai or in United Arab Emirates that prevents a particular company or a particular organization from hiring someone who has a visa from another company. You understand? If they have not made your visa, they cannot hire you except you have a non-objection certificate, which is NOC, popularly known as NOC. Yes, and of course you cannot work if you don't have a labor card. So that's it. So let me tell you more on that. Now for the 3 years visa, it comes only with the trade license. Yes, trade licenses. It also helps, but comparing the both of them, I think I will go for the 2 years visa. You understand? These visas, both of the visas, you can use to float a business, or you can use to register a business, but mainly if you want to register a business, it's preferably that of 3 years visa. So guys, let's go there and let me tell you how you can get a job with these visas, this personal visa and freelance visas for you. The first thing to do is to Google freelancer jobs. Go to Google, go to your browser and type freelancer jobs available in Dubai. In the case, you can type in your country, whichever country you're in, freelancer jobs. Freelancer jobs. That's freelancer, FREELANCER. So get to type this freelancer jobs in Dubai, then you get to see a list of them, and then from there you can select the field you want to specialize in. Let's say for instance, you can actually make it easier for yourself. Then you can type something like, let's say for instance you're looking for a security job, or a barrister job. You understand? A security job in Dubai. You can type for freelancer security jobs in Dubai, or free security freelancer jobs in Dubai. Just type it like that. Google is going to, it doesn't matter how you arrange it, Google is going to understand and figure out what you're trying to look for, and it's going to give you options. You understand? And then you see lists of freelancer jobs, a list of part-time jobs. Yes guys, it is also called part-time jobs. Part-time jobs you can do with your visa. So you can as well type part-time jobs in Dubai, something like that. It will come out, and then you will see the companies. Possibly sometimes they get to add their contacts. Now guys, when you get to see this, click out this. Guys, when Google shows you the options you have, you select and click on the one you are most interested in. Click on it. Let's say it is a company. Now you are actually logged in, you click and it becomes a company's website. That's what you entered. Then guys, always look for these three dots. It's either at the top right or at the top left of the screen of your screen, or of the website you logged into. So you can as well just click on these three lines. You always see them, these three lines up there, or it can come as a form of option, as a form of an arrow like this, that you can actually an arrow that is pointing downwards, that you can actually click and options will come. Look, when you click on such, or either the lines, the three lines, or the arrow, when you click on it, look for the career page. Sometimes it might be jobs, just write jobs. You understand? Look for the career page or jobs. Click on it. Sometimes they don't get to have those, so if they don't get to have that, look for contact us. Contact us, that option of contact us. You can as well, when you get to click on that, you will see their contacts, their email address and stuff. Now guys, what are the things for you to look for when you click on this career page? When you click on the career page, it will bring out all the positions they have in that company to be filled by a freelancer. Then you can select whichever one you are interested in. You can select whichever one you want. Things to look out for are this. If you have a CV, you can send it to the email address they provided on that particular thing, on that particular page. You can as well get to apply for the job directly. You can as well create a profile in that company's website, or in that create a profile, your own personal profile, so that whenever they get a job that matches you, in case they don't have one for you, they can actually get to contact you. You understand? So get to create a profile, fill in your details, and then tell them very well what you can do. If possible, if there's a space for that, and then get to submit the CV to them. One thing I will always want you to do is try to always get their contact and get to register it. Write it down somewhere. If it is their email, and if they got a phone number, put it down. You can give them a call later. Try to give the office a call and tell them you are like this person, you're so person. You are actually trying to apply for this so position, and that this is your own visa status. Tell them you're a freelancer, and then get to hear what they will say. You can actually get this job by just calling them. It is very possible, guys. It's very possible. Those are the things to get to have in mind. Now guys, the next one which people don't actually know is this. The next way for you to get a job as a personal visa owner or a freelancer is downloading an app known as Ogram. O-G-R-A-M. Ogram. There are other apps too, that which you can actually download from your Play Store, you understand, or from your Apple Store. Try to download them, and then you can actually write freelancer apps, or part-time apps, part-time jobs apps. You understand? It will give you a range of apps that you can download. Get to form a profile with them. Some of them will ask you for your ID, front and back of your ID. You can actually convert that, snap into on your phone. Find a way, someone who can do it for you. If you cannot, convert it to PDF, and then you get to upload it to them. They will also, some of them will ask for your NOC, that is the non-objection certification, and then they will ask you for, some of them will ask you for the labor card and the trade license if possible, depending. You understand? So get all these things ready, and then get to download any of these apps. The apps, they are applications, just like the way you download apps. You register on them, and then when you register on them, your emails and everything, you can start getting notifications of jobs. Yes, they will tell you their mode of operation, how they operate, when they get you a job, and how they pay you. They will tell you all that. And they'll tell you the mode of payments, how, if they're going to pay you cash, either cash or by sending to a bank. Maybe there's going to be yes, some of them they actually get to tell you to go open an account in so place, and then they get to send your money there. With that being said, guys, I wish you well. If you are someone who has a personal visa, if you are interested, maybe I get to direct you to anyone who can actually help you in doing that. With that said, guys, I am not doing any visa, neither am I marketing for anybody, and I'm going to tell you guys, thank you very much, and keep it focused. Thank you for actually watching this video till the end. Please give this video a thumbs up, and then if you're new here, please get to subscribe at the subscribe button down there. so that you get to get information, you get to know whenever we post videos. We post videos on this every Mondays and Fridays, but if news comes within the week, we do post too. Thank you very much, and then I am gonna say I love you, because yes, I do love you. Mwah.